Guys, if you're seeing this notification on your Mac or iPhone that says review Apple account phone number, then don't worry at all. This is not a virus or any serious issue. Basically, Apple just wants to confirm whether the phone number linked to your Apple ID is still active and being used by you. Now you might be wondering, why is Apple even asking for this? While this is your trusted phone number, Apple uses it whenever you sign in on a new device, reset your password, or verify your identity. So if this number becomes outdated or you're not using it anymore, you could run into problems accessing your Apple account later. That's why Apple periodically checks if your number is still valid. Now let's fix it. First, open System Settings on your Mac or iPhone, then go to Apple Account Suggestions. Here you'll see the option that says Review Apple Account Phone Number. Just tap on it. Now Apple will ask you, is this still your phone number? If you are still using this number, simply tap Keep this phone number. And that's it, the notification will go away instantly. But if you've changed your SIM or you no longer use that number, then tap Change Number and add your new active number. Just make sure the new number is one you can access, because Apple may send verification codes to it in the future. So now I don't want to change my number, so I'm going to click on Keep this number. As soon as I click on it, the notification should completely disappear from here and it should not appear again. So yeah guys, that's how you can fix the review Apple account phone number issue on your Mac or iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.